Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Hario V60 dripper size 01. This is for 1 to 2 cups of coffee. So here's what the dripper looks like. Let's measure. So we got to stick this on top of a mug, and the mug has to be at least 4 inches, and right there is about 2 inches. Overall height right there is about 2 5/8. And then the opening right here is 3 5/8. Okay, so here I've got my mug. I'm going to set it on top of the mug. We're going to put this filter. I'm going to be using the Hario V60 size 1 paper filter. Here's what it looks like. Now, when we use these paper filters, you're going to fold, even though that seam is sealed, you're still going to fold it over on itself so it fits better in there. Open it up, and then you're going to stick it in there. So it does stick up just a little bit, but it does stick down here through there. So since this is a 1 to 12 or 1 to 2 cup, if you're doing 1 cup, which is 8 ounces, you're going to use 12 ounces or 12 grams of coffee. If you're going to do 2 cups, you're going to use 24 grams of coffee. So it does come with a little scoop, and these got little lines on there. They're 8, 10, and 12. That's grams of coffee. Okay, so I'm going to grind my coffee into here. I'm grinding it at a medium grind. Okay, so I got my freshly ground coffee, but before we put it in here, we are going to wet the filter. Got my kettle over here at 200 degrees. Now they want you to kind of pre-warm the dripper and then rinse the filter. So we're just gonna get some hot water. Yeah, that's good. Then we're just gonna let that drain out. Okay, so I'm gonna pour the coffee grounds in there now. Okay, so the water is warmed up. We're gonna create a bloom. We're gonna saturate the grounds, and then we're gonna wait 30 seconds. So just kind of get them all saturated. All right, they're saturated. Now we're going to wait 30 seconds. Okay, so it's been 30 seconds. Now we can pour our water. We want it to go nice and easy. Control it. Don't dump it in there all at once. Go in like a circular motion. Keep an eye on how much water you're adding. You don't want to overflow your coffee cup. And you can always, there's a little handle here you can lift up, make sure you're not going to overflow your coffee cup. Okay, so I'm pretty much done. That's about 8 ounces of coffee. I'm not a coffee taste expert by no means, but this does make a really good cup of coffee. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.